everyone. This is Tamara Linkowski from HealthyTreatsMarket.com, and I want to show you how to make tortillas at your house. If you're a tortilla lover like me and you can't afford them, you can just buy the mix and make your own, and it's a lot cheaper for you to do it that way. So we're going to make tortillas today. So what I do, you can use the garlic or the skinny. I'm doing garlic right now just because that's what I have. I put a 1/4 cup in a cereal bowl, okay? And the recipe for tortillas is a little bit different. I'm gonna do a 1/4 cup mix, a 1/4 cup, half and half, 2 tablespoons egg whites, and 1 egg, okay? So don't forget that. That's important for this recipe. If you don't do the egg whites in it, they're gonna break. The egg whites are what keeps it together, okay? We're gonna mix this. Guys, when you do this, you're eating so healthy. I cannot emphasize enough how important it is for you guys to eat healthy. And then I got my tortilla maker. This is like not my most favorite tortilla maker, but my most favorite is like they don't make it anymore. So I can't even tell you guys about it. So I just sprayed the bottom of that a little bit, and I'm gonna do 4 different dollups, okay? So that's plenty right there. That might be a little bit too much. So I'm gonna spray this, I'm gonna push down on it. And you gotta be careful with this one. You can't push down too far. And then you gotta look, see how I'm looking, see right here? I can tell it's starting to come out the sides, so I lift this up. Because you don't want to keep it down, it's just gonna keep pushing it more, okay? So we're gonna give it a few seconds. But this is how easy it is to make, guys. This is how easy it is to make your tortillas, this simple. 1 mix makes 4 tortillas. So you need to do, if you're wanting to eat 2 mixes a day, you can eat 8 sandwiches a day if you want and lose weight that way. Now see how it turned out? Now here's what I'm gonna do. You don't have to do this, you can just leave it alone, but I find they turn out better. The one thing about this tortilla is it gets real thin on one side and a lot thicker on the other. So that's why I flip it and push down again. I don't push down, I just let it cook. I let it cook, and when it's done, it's gonna look like this, okay? See how pretty that is? See how beautiful that is? And you can refrigerate this, and then after you refrigerate it, you can just put your chicken on, put your cheese on, whatever, wrap it up. I'm gonna show you how you do this. This is how I do mine. If you have a tortilla maker, see how nice and crispy it is? This is perfect. What you can do is you can put your chicken and cheese on, and you can wrap it up and then lay it flat again like that. And then you have a crispy tortilla when you're making food. Okay, if you're camping or something, my friend that has this, that brought it, is camping, and you might not have an oven or a stove top. So you can still get your tortillas crispy doing that. Okay, guys? Come see us. We're in the Davison Farmers Market. We're here every Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, 9 to 5. Like our Facebook page, Healthy Treats Market. Join our Healthy Treats Market support group on Facebook. Go on YouTube and subscribe to Healthy Treats Market, and you can watch more videos like this. And be sure to go on our website. Our cafe menu is on our website, as well as the recipe book that I have, okay? It's still under construction, but there's a ton of recipes there, okay? We love you guys. Thanks for watching. God bless you.